Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, look for the battery saver or power saving mode, whatever we have right here. We have battery saver, which you can see for me it is on the third page. Anyway, once you see it, you can just tap on it. And it does add like a little plus inside of the battery, just so you can be aware that it is running right now. And in terms of changes that will happen based on this, we should be able to just hold it. Yep, there we go. And yeah, so we have a message right here. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, battery consumption features, and some network connections. So these are all the changes that will happen. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can just find the toggle once more and tap on it once again to turn it off. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.